Today I'm going to show you how to remove or detach a component in Figma. This is particularly useful when you want to break the link between an instance and its main component, giving you full editing freedom without affecting the original design system. Let's start by opening your Figma application. Once you're in, navigate to and open the project where you want to remove or detach the component. This could be any design file you're currently working on that contains component instances you'd like to modify independently. For this example, let's say you have a shape that's currently set as a component. The first thing you need to do is click on that shape to select it. Now here's a handy technique. While the shape is selected, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and drag the shape anywhere on your canvas. This action creates a duplicate of the component instance, giving you a copy to work with while preserving the original. Next, select the duplicate shape you just created. Look over to the right side of your screen where you'll find the Properties panel. In this panel, locate and click on the three dots icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your component. From this menu, click on Detach Instance. This step is crucial because it breaks the connection between your duplicate and the main component, converting it into a regular layer that you can freely edit without any restrictions. Now that you have your detached version ready, you can go ahead and remove the first shape that's still connected to the component. Simply select it and delete it from your canvas. This leaves you with only the detached version, which behaves like any other regular layer in Figma. And that's it. You've successfully removed the component relationship and now have a fully editable shape that won't update when the main component changes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.